Today is Saturday, January 4th, 2025. It's a very cold day and socked in, so we are going to go up and do Hale today via North Twin Trail and the Firewarden's Trail. And we are parked at Seven Dwarfs Motel. So when you park here, you can park in the parking lot over here. There's 3 cars there now. Or there's a pull-off on the side here for, I think I've seen as many as 4 cars parked here. And when you park, you pay $10. They say you can leave it on your windshield, but why make him come out? There's a little, I didn't zoom in. There's a little mailbox that says visitors above it. And I just leave the money in there. It's $10. And I put it in an envelope, or today I didn't have an envelope, so I just wrapped it in a piece of scrap paper and put our license plate and how many people there are and where we're headed and when we plan to be back, like what day it is. So if you're doing it overnight or something, they don't freak out that your car is still there. And then we're gonna road walk. This is on Little River Road. So we're gonna road walk up a little bit and then take a left, go over a private bridge. It's someone's driveway. They let us use their bridge, which is really nice of them. And they request no spikes or any traction on it. So don't ruin it for everybody. Take off your traction if you're wearing any. And then once we get across that, you walk up a little hill and keep watching. There should be a sign that says trail. There's another trail that's a private trail before that. Don't go in there. I'll shoot it when we're there. I've shot it before, but this is a pretty basic hike. I've got lots of videos of it, but the different thing is the winter parking and how to access the trail. So we are carrying snowshoes. Let's go. We're about a quarter mile up the road, and the road actually ends right up there, but you're not allowed to park up there. Private road. That's what that sign says. Oh, I don't see anything saying no spikes, but maybe they just haven't gotten it up. Don't wear any traction over here. And then when you cross this bridge, there's a trail almost immediately on the left. Don't take that. You go up around the hill here, just another couple, 500 yards, and there's another trail. This is the Little River. Starting to ice over. And I believe I see a sign. It's well marked. We just popped out on Haystack Road. There's actually a gate right there, and that's where the trail comes out. The trail is extremely obvious, easy to follow. There's bog bridges on it. It goes through private land, so thank you again for the landholders who let us use their land. This is Haystack Road. It's used as a snowmobile trail, but there's only an inch or 2 of snow on it right now. I think there are 4 people out ahead of us, and it's cold, but we're sweating, so we're gonna layer down. And this up a little bit is gonna be the North Twin Trailhead. We are about a mile from the summit now of Hale. And we put on our snowshoes pretty low on the Firewarden's Trail. There are 2 people ahead of us also snowshoeing. They put them on right almost at the same spot we did. And then there are 2 people behind us who had gone out to do the twins, but the water crossing was not safe. So they're doing this instead. I would say the trail has 3 to 6 inches of powdery snow in most places. Some places where there's a drainage, like right here, it gets down to nothing. And other places it's drifted. And of course it will get deeper as we get higher. Whew, I'm hot though. This is it, the summit. Look at that. Frosty. The winds are not anywhere like what they said. So that is good. Because it is quite cold. We took a temperature reading down where those old barrels are from the Firewardens, and it was around 7. It's a little bit cooler up here. Okay, Lindahan Trail goes that way, and Hale Brook goes that way. And the summit, Karen. Made it. Took us 2 hours and 45 minutes. All right, we just made it back to Little River Road. Very uneventful. It was 4 degrees at the summit and with a wind chill of -13. And that was the perfect thing to do today. There were 6 people out that we saw, including us. And yeah, it should be about 9.25 miles. And a couple of easy miles, half of it pretty easy mileage, actually. Hale's pretty easy in general. It's a good winter 4K to do coming up Firewardens. Highly recommend it.